Beaver sent us this drying rack to try out, and I wanted to show you how it was packaged and just a sped up version of us putting it together to let you know how long it took us to do from start to finish. It comes with everything you need. There's not a whole lot of pieces. You get the bottom rack, which has 4 wheels that go on it, the rods that go up the back, and the top handle, and there's also 4 screws. And then you get the racks that are really easy to put in. You just place them in the holes and fold them down. The whole thing only took us about 10 minutes to put together, and it was ready to go. You can just roll it away. We homeschool, and so this is going to be super helpful for us. It would also be really good for classrooms or art teachers or anything like that. There's 25 shelves, and the one I have is actually 24 inches wide, so it holds large artwork, which is what I was looking for, and it's really nice. It's very sturdy, and it seems like it's gonna last a long time. One of the things that I like most about it is the variety of artwork that you can hold in it. You can just put flat pieces of paper in there, or the shelves are wide enough that you can put actual wrapped canvases in there, or the little flat canvases that you can get as well. So it is very versatile, and we are super happy with this and really glad to have it in our home to use for this purpose. It's going to get a lot of use here with my kids that do art all the time.